Okay. Incline. Ay! Oh! Ah, yun! Doon na matindi pala doon eh. Ay! Okay, okay lang, dumulas lang. Recover ka agad, dumulas lang.
Kainin lang yung Manuel. Incline for breakfast.
Oh.
Nadaan ako pa kayo mas malaki ka dito.
Ayan, na-incline, no?
Nasa gitna ako. Naitlagan niya ako pa. Almost got you. And almost got me.
Ayun, no? Inclined. Ayun, parang ladder, step by step. Stairs. Okay. All good.